Oh, it's fantastic. It's a wonderful, wonderful occasion. It's very special for here, for Ethiopia, and for us as well. We came specifically because we wanted to come to the festival.
It's the most amazing festival I've ever seen. I know the people are very friendly. I find Ethiopia an amazing country. Yeah, absolutely. I think it's very well deserved by UNESCO.
It's amazing. It's everyone's so happy. Everyone's celebrating. It's obviously an incredible time for your country. So it's really great that we're here, that we've come to Ethiopia at this really special time for you. You know, I think more people should find out about it and learn about what other countries are doing throughout the world. And in that way, we can all be much more together, and everyone can be living together in harmony and finding out about other people's cultures. So it's really important.
I'm feeling very excited. It's a very nice ceremony. This is very shocking, and I think all over the world, like Ethiopia, I'm proud of your country.